Hi, I'm Jessica with GenVox, and today I'll show you how to install and use the GenVox Mobile app. GenVox Mobile is a soft phone with capabilities including visual voicemail, call history, chat and SMS, contacts, greetings, and answering rules. To get started for the first time, you'll download and install the app from the Play Store or App Store on your mobile device. In the App Store for your device, search for GenVox Mobile. Then install the application. When the GenVox Mobile app has finished installing, go back to your home screen and tap the white and green GenVox icon. You will log into the app using your username and password provided by the welcome email. For example, I will log in as extension 3150 at demo-genvox. Once your login name and password are typed in, press the login button. If you are unsure of your username and password, please reach out to your administrator. Once the app opens for the first time, multiple notification windows will appear that you will need to approve. The app requires microphone permissions to place calls through the app. Granting contacts permission will enable you to call your phone contacts through the GenVox Mobile app. Access to contacts is read-only and will not save those contacts to the application. These permissions can be managed through your phone settings. By default, the application will open the contacts list under the All parameter. You can change this by tapping on the drop-down menu at the top of your screen and then selecting another option. The options from this drop-down menu are All, which are all the contacts from the various contact categories, My Contacts, which are contacts you have added to the phone system, Coworkers, which are users on the phone system that have an extension, Shared, which are system-wide external contacts, and Phone, contacts that have been shared from your cell phone contact list. No matter the list you are in, your favorites will display at the top. Contacts on the phone system do have presence. They will display with a green dot when available. If the contact has a red dot, that means the user is currently on a call or in Do Not Disturb status. If there is a gray dot, the user is offline. Contacts will also display a blue chat indicator if they are available to chat in the portal or application. You can search for a specific contact within the selected parameter by tapping the search icon. As you type a name, the app will automatically display results for the entered information. Hitting the cancel button will take you back to the contact list. To see more information on a contact, tap the contact's name. Here you will see the phone number for the contact or their extension number. Depending on the information available, you may also see a work phone number, home phone number, or email address. When looking at a contact, you will see a green circle in the top right of your phone with a star in the center. Clicking the star will add someone to your favorites list. Favorites are displayed at the top of your contact list, above everyone else. To add or edit the information of a contact, tap the 3 vertical dots in the top right. Here, we will see the edit option as well as share. We'll come back to the share option. Go ahead and press edit. Here, we are able to input the information previously discussed. When done, remember to tap the check mark in the top right to save. If we go back into the menu and tap Share, the contact information will actually be copied to our clipboard, and then we can paste that information into another application, such as a text message or email. To add a contact to our contact list, tap the plus sign. Enter the new contact's information, and then tap the check mark to save. Now that I've covered the contacts list, let's tap on the voicemail icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see your new voicemails. By tapping on a voicemail, you are presented with a transcription of that voicemail and play options. To play the message, press the play button. The slider allows you to skip to specific parts of the voicemail quickly. The speaker button will toggle on and off your speaker phone. In the expanded window below the selected voicemail, there are additional options. To call an individual who left a message using their caller ID information, tap the phone icon. To save the selected voicemail, press the floppy disk icon. This moves the voicemail to your saved folder. To forward your voicemail to another user on the phone system, press the arrow. Another page will pop up asking you to select the user to forward the voicemail. The information button will show you more details about the voicemail. Next, we'll go over chat and SMS. The chat icon will take you directly to your instant message chat log. Your unread messages will be bolded here as shown. Just like the contacts list, a small blue icon next to a person's profile photo will display if your coworkers are logged into the chat. If you message someone not logged into chat, they will receive an email notification. To start a new conversation, you can tap on the pencil icon on the bottom right of your screen. The screen will shift to the directory again where you may select a user. If you have SMS turned on, you will also be able to choose from contacts outside of the phone system as well as type in a phone number to text message. Once you have selected a user or typed in a phone number, you can type to begin a conversation. When done typing, hit send. From this page, you may also call the user by tapping the phone icon in the top right. You may also view other options by tapping the 3 vertical dots. You are now presented with View Contact Information, Turn off notifications for this chat only, and Delete Conversation. The back arrow will return you to the chat history page. Simply click on a chat to resume the conversation. The next section we'll cover is call history. By tapping the small handset icon, you are able to see all the incoming, outgoing, and missed calls for your extension. At the top of the call history page, you may adjust the display parameters and display all calls, outbound calls, inbound calls, or missed calls. In the call history list, you can see the phone number or extension, the time a call occurred, and the direction of the call. By tapping the information icon on the right side of the screen, you can see some of the same information with additional options, such as creating a new contact or updating an existing contact. Hit the X to exit the information menu. The last icon in the navigation bar is the menu icon, displayed as 3 horizontal lines, commonly referred to as a hamburger menu. Here, you may adjust settings related to your extension. If you tap anywhere in the top field containing your name and extension, you will be redirected to a page to edit your status message, email address, profile picture, and name. Your status message is displayed to other users on the phone system, so keep it work-friendly. By tapping Change below your profile picture, you are directed to the Gravatar website where you can change your profile picture. If you do not have a Gravatar account, you will need to sign up for a new account with the same email address associated with your extension. Keep in mind that many websites and applications use Gravatar, and your Gravatar photo may display in other places on the internet that use your email address. To save the changes, you will tap the check mark in the top right of your screen. To reprioritize your answering rules, click on Answering Rules. Here, you are presented with the flow of how your extension will handle calls. You are not able to create new answering rules from this screen. To set the priority of an answering rule, you will press and hold the 4 horizontal lines. Then, drag and drop that answering rule to the desired order. The top rule will always be the active rule. Back to the menu options. By tapping Greetings, you can select your active voicemail greeting or record a new one. To record a new greeting, press the plus icon in the top right. You will need to name the greeting something unique. I'll name my greeting Vacation and then press Done. Press the microphone button to begin recording and the stop button when you are done. You will then press Save to save the recording. Recording a greeting doesn't automatically turn it on, so you will still need to activate that greeting if you wish for it to play right away. To activate your new greeting, you will tap on the name of that greeting and then tap Select. Your current active greeting will have a check mark next to it. To listen to a greeting, tap a greeting and press the play icon. To delete a greeting, tap the delete icon. Back in the menu options, if you would like to use a different extension on your mobile device or stop receiving phone calls, you may press the log out button. Now, let's go over placing a call. As we showed earlier, you may place a call using your contacts list. To place a call to someone not in your contacts list, you will tap the green circle with the dial pad in it. You may dial the 10-digit phone number and press the green button to call. When using the GenVox Mobile App to place an outbound call, the receiving caller will only see your caller ID from the office. Now let's go over active call options. When on an active call, the status, dial number, and call timer will be displayed at the top of the screen, along with the following call functions. Speaker toggles on and off your speakerphone. Mute disables the microphone. Hold places the other party on hold and plays your on-hold music. Add call enables the user to create a second call that is separate from the first call. Once the second call is established, the calls can be merged into a three-way conference or kept separate with the ability to swap between calls. Dial pad enables the entering of digits when dialing into an auto attendant or IVR. Transfer transfers the call with an announcement to its destination. Switch phone allows the user to move the call to other devices that are owned by the same user. As an example, I can switch the call to my desktop phone. More launches a new menu with options to start recording for on-demand call recording. Contacts will open up your contacts list. And lastly, the red button is your disconnect button. Thank you for watching this GenVox mobile application training video.